Hot.
Thanks. Do you think I'm hot?
Mm-hmm.
You like me like this?
Yeah, I wish we'd wear it every day.
Maybe I will for you.
Tea?
No.
Come on.
What's up? It's Rochelle back at it again with another YouTube video. In today's video, I decided it would be really fun to play with some new makeup that I got, test out some hyped up products, and see if they were worth the hype or if they were just trash. Wow, that sounded really aggressive. If you want to see all the products I used to create this makeup look, then just keep on watching. First of all, today is our 1 year. Say happy 1 year.
Happy anniversary.
And we're going to Coachella, so I have a lot to fix. First things first, before I start playing around with makeup, let's fix our skin situation, okay? Recently, I've been using two products. I've been using a mask, and then I use this like tea tree oil moisturizer, but the only problem with the moisturizer is it just dries my skin out so bad. I have to like use it super sparingly, like I can only do a little bit on my skin. Otherwise, it looks like I literally woke up and I was fighting for my life in the desert. So I don't like to use it that often, but a product that I have been using probably more than I should be, honestly, but whatever, is the Teamy Detox Mask. This is a green tea mask. It has vitamin E oil in it. You've probably already heard me talk about it. This has been my holy grail. I've been using it for a while now. So that's not a zit. I don't know if you can see. They're not zits, I just have scarring. So that's the next thing I gotta work on. It has been helping with my bumps and like the texture of my skin. So when I put makeup on, you won't even be able to see all the redness. So I'm just gonna use the mask real quick, prep my skin before we cake it on. This stuff smells so good. I said this in my last video, but honestly, this mask just smells so darn good. I love it. I could literally sit here and just all day. I'm just gonna rub this all over my face. Another thing I like about this mask is it doesnn't dry my skin out. So like I was saying, the moisturizer I found that helps with zits, it dries my skin out so bad. But this helps with my zits and it doesn't dry my skin out and it smells amazing. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm kind of obsessed. Plus it makes your skin so smooth after. I'm like, who is she? Who is my skin? Got a little on my eyebrow, but that's fine. So I'm just gonna let this dry and then I will be back once it is fully dried. Okay, I'm back, it is dried. This is the finished look. See all those little black dots? Those are on my pores just getting sucked out of my face. Yeah, we're gonna wash this bad boy off though. All right, I'm back. My face is rinsed off nice and smooth. If you're interested in trying out the Teamy Detox Green Tea Mask, I'll have a link in the description that you guys can click and go check it out. I also have a discount code, so if you use the code HYDRATE at checkout, you'll get money off of your mask. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Let's get on. Oh my God, what are these clips? Honey, I don't even know. I've seen a bunch of products that have been going crazy. Everyone has been recommending. So I thought it would be fun just to test them all out and see if I like them. I didn't find a primer because, first of all, I was just overwhelmed and I was so focused on getting everything else that I forgot to get a primer. But if you have any drugstore recommendations, comment them down below. I would love to try them. A lot of people have been talking about Pixie. I have never tried this out before. I think I also saw Jaclyn Hill tried this in one of her videos and I was like, okay, I gotta try this out. And I have this little Tarte to Go eyeshadow palette, which I've never used. So I think we're gonna start with this. Here is the little eyeshadow palette. Tarte makeup just smells so good. I'm going to go in with Drive. It's like this really pretty, okay, I suck at this shit. I'm gonna take Drive, which is this color right here. And we're just gonna put that into our crease. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for my left eye. When I dip into it, there's a lot of fallout though. I'm gonna take these clips out because they're just really bothering me for some reason. Now that we finished that, I think I'm just gonna go in with like a little bit of a darker brown. I'm gonna go in with Stylin', which is this darker brown right there. So I'm just gonna go with this in my outer corner and just blend the two colors together. My dogs keep fighting in the background. I'm gonna be making a filming studio in the house. Soon I won't be filming in my bathroom anymore, but for now, just gotta make do with what I got. Now I'm gonna go in with my Pixie by Petra Liquid Fairy Lights. This is a liquid eyeshadow. I love this color. It's like a rose gold color. Never used liquid eyeshadow, so wish me luck. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. Oh wait, maybe it's because I didn't have that much product on it. I wonder how long it's gonna take to dry. I kinda wanna get one in every color because they had a green one, they had a blue one. Maybe I'll do that next because I do really like this. Now I'm gonna go in with foundation. I'm so excited for this foundation because it can either go really good or really bad. Picked up the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I've seen everybody testing this out and I just had to. If you're an OG and you know me, you already know that this L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation is my favorite thing on this planet. I use this every single day. Like, this is my go-to. I've gone through like 10 tubes of these. This is my favorite. So I'm really hoping this doesn't disappoint me. I don't know if it's my shade. I hope it is, but I really don't know. It's pretty freaking white. It's really liquidy. With the other L'Oreal foundation that I like, it's not this liquidy. So I'm curious to see what it looks like when it's blended out. I hope it's full coverage because their other one is super full coverage and I'm a full coverage kind of girl. Let's just start blending because I'm pretty curious. So right off the bat, I'm noticing it's not full coverage at all. I'm probably gonna have to use like a couple pumps to get it where I want, which I don't really like doing. I don't like piling on that much on my skin, but sometimes when you first apply a foundation, it doesn't look the same way as it does like later on, you know? So maybe it just needs to be warmed up. Okay, I'm also noticing it dries really fast, so I probably should have done this in sections because it's drying really fast and it's kind of harder to work into my skin. I don't know if you can see that. It's definitely a pale foundation. Let's just add more white. The next product I got was this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Under Eye Concealer. I'm really excited to try this because first of all, it looks like Tarte Shape Tape. I think it was like 10 bucks maybe. This is really light. I'm gonna blend that first and see how I like it. I feel like this is more full coverage than the foundation that I just used. This kind of reminds me of like, I used to go to performing arts high school and we used to use like white face paint in my, what's it called? Where you do like fake wounds and stuff. Oh my gosh, what is it called? Stage makeup or something like that. I don't know, but we used to do like wounds and stuff. Anyways, we turned ourselves into like old people one day and gave ourselves like wrinkles and stuff. And this kind of looks like the color of the paint we used. Having flashbacks. I have a folder of all my makeup that I ever did in that class. You would literally die. I really like the under eye concealer though, not gonna lie. That shit's pretty nice. Okay, so far, this wins for me. Next thing I really wanna try out is this Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I've heard a lot of people talk about this too, so I just had to test it out. So I'm just gonna set my under eye with this, see what it looks like. Whoa, honestly, I think I like that. If I like this setting powder, I'll be so happy because I gave up on setting powders a long time ago because I just thought they made me look old and wrinkly and like crusty. But I think I like this. All right, I like this powder. I'm putting it all over my face because I like it. Okay, bitch, this setting powder is a 10 for me. I picked up this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I'm not a big brow pencil type of girl. I like a nice dip brow pomade. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but we're just gonna try. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side now. I think this was only $6. As I'm looking in the viewfinder, it looks a little dark, but it's fine. I also got an e.l.f. bronzer palette, so it has a bunch of different shades, which I liked. I think I'm gonna go in with the lighter one, which is up here in this corner, and just use this. Ooh, that's pigmented. Definitely don't need a lot. Okay, I look crusty as hell. I'm editing this video right now, and I don't know if it was the lights were just in my face, if I suddenly could not see what I looked like, but this bronzer did not look good on me at all. It looked super chalky. A helicopter is so rude. Do you see that helicopter? Oh my gosh, she's right there. What is going on? Maybe I should close that door. Anyways, I didn't know what I was talking about, so I just cut most of this bronzer clip out because I didn't like it, so yeah. Anyways, just keep on watching. All right, next up is blush. So I got the Milani blush. Honestly, I got this because it looked really pretty. All right, here we go. Okay, so is this a highlighter? No, it says powder blush. So it looks a little bit like a highlighter. I don't know if you can see that. You do have to kind of like dip in a couple times to get the pigment. So I don't know if I'm a big fan of this. Okay, next, I'm so excited for this. I've seen a lot of people talk about this. It's the Makeup Revolution Rose Gold Glow. So it's 2 highlighters, I'll show you. Also, this packaging is so cute. On the inside though, I will say it does kind of remind me of Kylie because it's like dripping. I don't know if you can see that. I kind of want to swatch them just to see. Holy, okay. What? Now let's do the gold. Bitch, look at those. Okay, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Okay, and we're just gonna Oh my god, wait, I put way too much. I didn't know it was gonna look like that. Okay, I'm shook. Oh my god, I never need to use another highlighter. This was $7. $7 and you get 2. They weren't messing around with this. They were like, oh, you want glow? Okay, bitch. People are gonna need to wear sunglasses around me. Jeez. 10 out of 10 recommend. Go to your drugstore right now and get this. This is the greatest thing I've ever bought. I just realized too, I forgot to get glue for my lashes, so we're gonna have to use mascara. I would have used my Ardell Wispies, which looks super pretty, but I'm just gonna use my Better Than Sex mascara. This has been my current go-to mascara. I have one last thing. I was looking for a lipstick to get, or like a lip liner, and then I stumbled upon an e.l.f. lip plumping lip gloss, and I was like, bitch, let me test this out. Well, they had a couple colors. This was one of the only colors that was left. It's called Pink Cosmo. So if a bunch of people are getting it, it must be pretty decent, right? Do you see that? It's kind of like slanted. Oh, it smells bomb. That smells really good. And it's pretty. Oh yeah, it's starting to burn. Oh. I feel it working. Do they look bigger? Okay, I actually do like this. Even if it doesn't plump my lips, I like the way this looks and I like the way it smells. So yeah, that's it for this makeup look. Overall, the foundation, now that I'm looking at it, it's really not that bad. Like, I could live with it. At first, I didn't really like it, but overall, this wasn't that bad. Do I still like my other foundation by L'Oreal more? Yeah. But I do like this as well. So if you have oily skin, this is probably better for you. This concealer, love it. It's a great dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, has full coverage, so I really do like this. I do recommend this. I like this loose powder a lot. It kind of like filled in all my pores too and made me look pretty airbrushed, which is rare because my pores are popping. Highlight, do we even need to talk about it? If you like this makeup look, let me know. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.